Hi, I welcome you all to this session on overviewing organizational unit using the code PO10 and positions using the code PO13. So in the last sessions what we have done, we have created some of the department like org unit, organization unit, and we have also created some of the positions. So we are discussing that one of the three structures that we are discussing in as part of SAP. So we have already discussed enterprise structure, then person structure, then organization structure we are discussing. And what we are doing, uh, we have done this that organization unit, the object key is O, and positions. We have created some of the position. Position means designations in SAP language. It is called designations in SAP language. So the position means that position means it is designations. Organization unit means it is the department. So in the last two sessions, what we have done, we have created, this is the organization structure. There are uh, three departments, and this is also one. And basically this org unit, these are called org unit or organization unit. So corporate office is one unit, then human resource department is another unit, then finance, then marketing. For three departments, and along with corporate office we have that created. So the code, these are the codes that have been generated in the process. So these codes are auto generated. Okay. So when as per the requirement we fill the data, then this code is auto generated, and these codes we should note it, because this at the time of reporting, like take for example the HR has to report to corporate office. So this code reports to this, because SAP understand this ID only. So this report to this. Suppose we are creating, we are putting a positions, like in this case. Suppose our code says that org unit is reporting to org unit, and but instead of org unit we are putting some positional code, but it will not take. Okay. So these codes have to be remembered. So that means in the structure human resource reports to corporate office. Similarly, this finance means this code reports to this code. Okay. ID, this ID reports to this ID. Similarly, marketing also this report to this. So when we discuss on the positions, basically this position, take for example position HR, position president HR has two kinds of relationship here. One is that president HR belongs to that human resource department. He belongs to, or she belongs to human resource department. So there is one kind of relationship. That means here the relationship has to be like kind of things that that S reports to S reports to O. Okay. So we can S reports to O. That is one kind of relationship. Okay. Then another things, S reports to S. Means what does it mean? That means S belong to, a position belong to a org unit. Okay. A position belong to a org unit, and this position reports to a another position. Like take for example president HR will report to CEO. So when we discuss about this, that means this reports to this. Okay. So there are this is the relationship that we have built up. Okay. And uh, so when, like take for example uh, S, when we discuss about this S O relationship, S reports to S reports to O. So when we use the code like S reports to or S belongs to O, the code that we normally used is A003. A003. Okay. So but here it is A002. So this is the code that we are using for this. Okay. So this is the this means this that position belongs to one org unit, and whereas particular position reports to this. So in a reporting, when you talk of this reporting, that means this is the structure. Trainee reports to officers, officer reports to senior officers, senior officers report to executive HR, and this is also report to like senior executives. Then senior executive reports to assistant manager, then deputy manager, and so on. This will be report the positions will report accordingly. Okay, but if you see, we can put it otherwise. That means president is the line supervisor of vice president, who is the line supervisor of vice president is the line supervisor of this. So this kind of relationship actually exists in case of this that SAP. Okay. So today in this sessions, what we will do, what we have created like that we will check the overview. Suppose in case of certain kind of changes, we have that could committed certain kind of mistakes in entries, so we will correct in this. Okay. So basically, when we discuss, suppose we want to check, take for example org unit. Okay. So we want to check org unit. So what is the data being recorded in org unit? We will like PO10. Suppose we want to check the positions, we have to maintain the code PO13. It's very simple. So we'll check this. We will start with the org unit. Okay. Suppose we'll check the org unit, take for example. So the code is PO10. So org unit, there is a org unit. So we'll see. And org unit, take for example corporate office, we have the code. These are the codes I have recorded. These are the codes I have taken the note of. These are the codes. By using the codes, I am just putting this. So the org unit for corporate office is, it is like 1877. We'll see. So we can see the overview. We have to select one info type. Yes, we can see this corporate office. So this is the information. This is actually, this is stored in one of the tables. Okay. So this is the information. This is language English, starting on the day 1st February 2022, and abbreviation is this, and this is this. Okay, like corporate office. So this is my, that I have given one CK that I have created. Since it is a learning system, so many corporate office will be, offices will be there. So therefore, since I am referring to this, I have given a code here. Okay. So I will go back a little. So then I will check relationship. So I will see the relationship overview. Okay, see. So you can see these are the codes, like these are the dates, starting date, ending date. So these are the codes. See, that means org unit B002. This is the code. You can see B002 is the line supervisors. Okay, like it is means B002 is the line supervisor of org unit. Okay, B00 is the line supervisor of org unit, particular org unit it is given. Okay, means in, you can see this organization unit to, about whom, that which organization unit we are discussing about. So that this is corporate office. So corporate office is supervising that corporate HR, that is HR department. Then it is also in line supervisor of marketing department. Then it is also line supervisor of this finance department. So what this, like this incorporate B002 means, B002 means it incorporates the positions. There is one position we have created, that is called CEO positions we have created. So there is only one position we have created. So created. Therefore, this corporate office is having one position, that is CEO, and it is also supervising whom? It is also supervising three departments like HR, marketing and finance. Suppose it has another department above it, then it will come that A002. That means it reports to which department? Since it is the apex body, so therefore there is nobody above that. Therefore, we have kept it as independent. Okay. So, we'll check another. Take for example, we'll see like take for example the HR department 1878. So similarly, we will see the overview. Okay. So you see. So now these are the so many positions we have created. As I have created for HR department, there are so many positions. These are the positions you can see, and these are the positions we have created for this, and this is the department. Okay. So it will have like human resource reports to corporate office one department. Okay, and it incorporates the following positions. So that is the that this table talks about. So you can see it reports to first A002. That this is in that corporate HR, means this is HR department. Okay, org unit HR department reports to corporate office. Okay, this is the abbreviation corporate office. Okay, and it incorporates the following positions. You can see these are the positional abbreviation: president, vice president, senior manager HR, then general manager HR, DG, general deputy managers HR, manager HR, assistant manager HR. These are the position actually exist. Okay. So similarly, if we go back, we can go back. We'll see, because see human resource CK I have given here my code. Okay. Then we will check the marketing department 18 1879. 1879. So we'll check this. Okay, we will check overview. So marketing, suppose take for example, I have missed out here certain thing. Okay, so what I need to do, I have to change it. Then within bracket, suppose I have to write CK. How can I write? I will tell. So this you see marketing department reports to corporate office, and these are the positions. Okay, so what I will do here, I will go for this. Okay, I will go for, there is a change options. Okay, so I can write here like there is a change option. You can see nearby this create info type. So here there is a change option. This is change info type. So I can click on it. So now I can write here like CK. So so change is for, suppose we have committed certain kind of mistakes, we want to change, or we can edit, we can do it. Then we can go for savings. Okay, so then we can go for this overview of this department. Overview is this is created on this. Okay, then object we have selected, then we can go for checking the relationship. Okay, so then overview relationship we can see. So the total relationship, it reports to this, it came here. Okay, marketing department, now CK has been incorporated here, you see. Then it reports to corporate office, then these are the positions. So this is a change we can see. uh, then uh, sorry, then we can see the positions. Okay, positions, for positions take for example PO13, a particular positions, regarding one particular positions we can see. Okay. So a particular positions we can see. So we can refer to that Excel sheets. What are the positions? Like take for example, I'll take you to the Excel sheets. Here also Excel sheet. These are the positions. Take for example that President HR positions. Okay, we'll see. Like 1883 positions. 1883 positions. We'll check. 1883. 1883 positions. I will select. Okay, a relationship I will see. We can see one by one. You see just this that means A002 means report to whom it reports? President HR reports to CEO. This is President HR. It has been written here. President HR reports to CEO. Okay. It belongs to A003 belongs to corporate HR. Means it is HR department. He belongs to HR department. Okay. Then he is supervising vice president HR. So complete relationship of a positions is displayed here. Okay. So similarly, we can also check like another take for example. We will see like uh, another departmental positions. Like take for example, we will see the manager finance. Manager finance position ID is 1900. Okay. So we can go for the relationship. We'll see the same thing. You see, he reports to manager at finance, reports to uh, senior manager finance, and he belongs to finance department, and he is supervising deputy manager finance. In this way, we can see the host of relationship that we have. Okay. Suppose take for example that we'll see that there will be changed relationship. There will be change relationship in the reporting structure. In the reporting structure, we will find, take for example, we'll see this manager finance. Okay, overview. So manager finance reports to senior manager finance. Okay, manager finance reports to senior manager finance, reports to senior manager finance. Okay. So this senior manager, take for example, let me take you to the Excel sheets. Okay. Let me take you to the Excel sheets. Uh, suppose manager finance, you can see manager finance. Okay. Manager finance reports to manager, senior manager. Take for example, senior manager, uh, senior manager finance. Suppose this person, senior manager finance, is going on leave. Okay, senior manager finance will go on leave. Okay, maybe for 1 year or for maybe for 2 months, 3 months, or maybe sabbatical educations for 1 year. Certain period he is leaving. Therefore, what happens? The reporting relationship will now change. So, manager finance, instead of reporting to senior manager finance, at that case he will report to general manager finance. He will report to general manager finance. So here we have to remember how do you change this reporting relationship. So you have to remember the code like this is 1898, then 99, and then 1900. Okay. So that means this is general senior manager finance is going for leave. So at that time, how do you manage this reporting relationship? So we are going to check this. So we'll go back. Okay. So manage now. We'll see general senior manager will. So for his, you will see the relationship. Okay. So this is you can see. Okay. So this is manager finance. So we will go for the manager finance details relationship we are checking. We will go for overview. Okay, overview we can see this. That means he reports to senior manager. So we can select this. This is the object key, objector. So we can select this. Then we can go for copy. Okay, see here in this way what we'll do. So you see, so now manager finance, it has been given that is reporting senior manager finance. What we'll do, since he is going on leave, so we'll change the relationship. So how, suppose for take for example, he will go on leave from like take for example, he will go on leave for from the coming first March, okay, sorry, suppose March, take for example 2022, he will go on leave, okay. So reporting relationship, what we will do, we will change it. So we can bring about change here, okay, and here we can see that positions, he was reporting senior manager. So what we will do, he will now report to general managers. Like general manager, what is the ID of general manager? 1819, okay. 1898, sorry, okay. So we can, so see, reporting relationship. So this is the general manager finance code. So now directly, so the manager finance, instead of reporting to general manager finance, sorry, senior manager, so now he will report to general managers, okay. So we can go for save, okay. So the previous record will be delimited at end. Now this is the function of indeed delimited, so we can save it, okay. So we can uh, go back, see the reporting relationship. However, you can see A002 two relationship. That means this in general this manager finance reports from this date to this date, means 1st February 2022 to 28 to February 2022 reports to senior manager finance. But after that, 1st March 2022 to 31st December 9999, he will report to like in general managers. So after that means how many months? Suppose that for 1 month he is going on leave. Once again, what we can do? We can go for this overview. Then this is the relationship. Once again, we can uh, change it, because he is going for 1 month, okay. This is going for 1 month leave. Then we can once again go for coffee. So because 1 month, because it is written infinite period like 9999. Now what we will do, we will once again coffee, okay. Coffee. After that we can change the date here. Suppose take for example from that April 1st onwards, okay. So he will report once again to like senior managers finance, okay. So we can change the code, we can go for okay, senior manager once again, okay. So we can save it, okay. So previous record will be delimit at end. So do you want to save? Yes. So you see once again. So reporting relationship has been changed. This is actually in case of delete. If you want to delete, the history will be completely deleted. But in case of delimit, so it is keeping all the records. Okay, reporting records, everything it is. So if you are deleting, the record will be deleted completely. Okay. So you can see this. So now reporting is also changed, means this manager finance reports to once again senior manager. So reporting authority is changing. In case of suppose somebody is going for a long sabbatical leave, or somebody is going for a like medical leave for 1 month, take for example, this is how it is being maintained. So we'll once again, so I will take you to the organization structure, okay. So we'll go back. So once again, we'll go back human resource, then it is organizational, then organizational management, then you can see the organization structure, okay. We'll see the organization structure. So for organization structure, we'll see for the what is the code for let's say for corporate office. Just a minute. Corporate office, there is a code. We'll see uh, corporate office 550001877. This is the code I am extracting from. I have that noted all these things from the Excel. You see corporate office, you see corporate office, these are the actually this you can see that is called structure, display or maintenance. Okay, so these are the organizational that units we have created on the following date and valid up to this. Okay. So these are the things that we can see. Okay, status is, you can see the details. Okay, so you can see, so these are the organization unit like corporate office and human resource, marketing, finance, all these things we have created. But we will now see the reporting. We can see the reporting. We can go back. So you see, this is the path we are following. We have followed that, we have selected from SAP Easy Access, human resource, then organization management, then organization unit, then organization structure. Under this, it is completely uh, organization structure you have seen. Now we will see the organization structure with positions. Okay. So take for example, we will see corporate office 5000, okay, 50001877. Okay. So we can go ahead for this. So we can execute. So we can see for corporate office, you can see corporate office there is only one positions here, chief executive officer. This is S object, corporate office it is object key means organization unit. Then for human resource organization unit O, so then these are the reporting authority, you can see this. Okay, like president HR. Okay, president HR, then reporting relationship you can see. Okay, like uh, reporting relationship you can see president HR is the line supervisor of vice president, then senior managers, like this. This is the structure we are up, this is the way we have created, this is how it is appearing. Okay, then there is also like finance also, there is also finance, like there is only I think we have committed some mistakes. Executive officers, finance has come under HR department. Okay, it seems. So we'll rectify this. Okay. So marketing department accordingly, marketing. Okay, department, then finance department. Everything is there. Okay. So here we have to do this code, like we have to rectify it, like we have to look into this. There was somewhere finance was the executive officer finance. Okay, maybe what is the code for this executive officer? That means he will, there is a positions here in this 1904. 1904. This is a mistakes we have committed. Okay, for the positions we will check it. Okay, and this is the basically this is the organizational unit. Okay, these are the positions for this. So for this we can say 1904, because this is actually, this has to be HR. By mistakes we have done it finance. Okay. So we will make it HR once again. Okay, executive officer is there in finance. We will see finance department executive officers. Executive officer is not there, maybe it is not there. Okay, so in marketing, executive officers, executive marketing is there. Here executive senior executive is not there. Okay, so here executive senior officer, executive officer HR is there, executive officer finance. So this actually executive officers finance, this code 1904 has to report to, this has to report to, this must belong to must belong to uh, this must belong to finance department. Okay, so we'll check it. There is a mistakes because finance executive officer finance has is reporting, it belongs to this HR department. So we'll check it. Okay, so once again For positions, we will go for like PO13, PO13. Okay, under PO13, we will see the code is 1904. 1904. We will see relationship. We will see. Okay, we will see the overview. 1904 finance. This. It is, here is a mistake actually. You can see with the position is finance, but is reporting to corporate office. That is called HR department. It's actually wrong entry. It has how to change it. So what we'll do, we'll copy it. We have selected the row. Okay, we'll copy it. Okay. So now what we'll do, see, you see, this is a financial positions we have created, but it is reporting to HR department, but it has to be actually finance department. So what is the code of finance department? ID of finance department 1880. So we will do 1880. Okay, 1880. 1880. Okay. Then we can go for enter. So finance it is. Then we can go for savings. Okay, overlapping record will be deleted. Yes, go for yes. Okay, so now we can see this is that means this executive officer finance belongs to finance department. We have, so that is actually the role of copy. Actually, how copy that infotech is being used. Okay, so once again we will go for checking of the organizational structure. Okay, so SAP Easy Access menu will go once again. SAP Easy Access once again structure with positions we will see. Okay, corporate office once again we will put it 5000 1877. This is for this is the executive buttons. We can click on here. Okay, we can see. So for that we see. So this in HR department that this position doesn't exist now. This position doesn't exist now. Okay. So now that positions like the position that 1904 has moved to finance department. 1904 has, you see, executive officer has moved to this. So this is the way how we can that use copy over that copy infotech operations, that copy key and change, but that infotech and we can see also organizational structure for various purpose. Hope we have the session must have been meaningful for all. Thank you very much.